Hello guys, we're in Rome. This is our second day, our first full day, and we're hanging out here in the
Giardini del Quirinale?
That place. And it's actually just a nice little square garden. Looks like kind of some roses, some older trees.
I think we're the only people in here.
Yeah, everybody else just walks around it. So we're hanging out here. We're on our way to the Vatican, so it'll be a little bit light on videos because film is illegal in the Vatican, so I guess videography.
We might not have a lot of pictures there either, just trying to be respectful, but figured we'd say good morning from here, and I'll check in again later. Almost at the Vatican City. You're looking at the Castel Sant Angelo, or the Castle of the Holy Angel. It's also Hadrian's Mausoleum. Offers great views of the Vatican, like 750 to get in. And then we pan to, we're looking in towards Vatican City now. So a lot of really neat things to see along here. Lots of salespeople, so if you want to do some shopping you can, but also be wary. Lots of tour guides, everything like that. You don't need one, you can just pay to get into the Vatican, but that is what we're looking at, and we'll be headed that direction.
So here we are, not at the Vatican. We'd actually stopped in there for a little bit, and they had a spontaneous closing from noon to 2 o'clock. So
Even though we checked it this morning before we left,
yeah.
make sure to be open.
So keep that in mind when you're planning your trip. Always have a plan B. This is actually the railroad tracks that go into the Vatican. It's kind of an interesting little feature that never quite realized that the Vatican could be accessed by train. But either way, we are going to head to a forest or a park area that's just down this path here. So it's kind of hopefully kill some time, and then we'll figure out if we want to come back to the Vatican or maybe go do something else. Here we are in Villa Borghese Park. Borghese Park?
We don't know how to speak Italian.
We don't know how to speak Italian. No, not even close. But wonderful kind of little side trip. We had to kind of ad-lib some of our day's activities today just because we didn't end up going to the Vatican.
Since it was closed. But we did make it to the Spanish Steps. We didn't do a video there because it was very, very crowded. But we kind of wandered through the Piazza Del Popolo, and it looks like they're setting up for a concert, and saw this wonderful park area. So now we're a little ways in, and you can see there's still quite a few people, but it's a lot more peaceful up here, a lot less traffic, a good place to relax and enjoy some of the sunny day.